Congratulations on getting the white label knowledge base from GHL Plugins. In this video I'm going to show you how to get it up and running right over here on this screen. You're going to notice first off that it is white labeled. HighLevel, or any instance of it here, is completely gone, doesn't exist. So how did I get this onto my sub account? You'll notice over here I added it as a custom menu link. So once you're logged into GHL Plugins, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on knowledge base. Simply click the copy custom menu link. You're going to go over here into your agency, and of course you're going to go to settings, your agency settings, and then go to custom menu link, create new. Go ahead and do that. Select the icon. In this case it doesn't really matter. Test. Make it there. Now the nice thing is you can select here which sub accounts you want, or you can just show it to all sub accounts. That's it. Once you add this custom menu link, the white label knowledge base is going to be added, and then you can always go back and update and add any new articles that you want that are specific to your clients and to your agency. Hope you guys enjoy this product, and let us know if you have any questions. If you're just discovering this video and you're wanting this white label knowledge base for HighLevel, click the link below this video and you'll be able to get a 7-day free trial to test it out yourself. Thanks and have a great day.